The Vehicle Stability Control System, or VSC, is a critical safety feature that helps prevent your car from skidding or losing control during challenging driving conditions. The VSC system uses multiple sensors throughout your vehicle to monitor wheel speed, steering angle, and vehicle movement to detect when your car might be losing stability. Understanding what your VSC light means is crucial for vehicle safety. There are three main states you need to recognize. A solid VSC light indicates the system is temporarily disabled, usually due to a minor malfunction such as a sensor issue or low brake fluid level. A flashing VSC light means the system is actively working to help maintain vehicle stability, typically during a loss of traction situation. When the VSC light appears together with the check engine light, this indicates a serious system malfunction requiring immediate professional diagnosis. Based on 2024 automotive service data, there are four primary causes responsible for most VSC light activations. Faulty wheel speed sensors account for 35% of VSC issues. These sensors monitor individual wheel rotation and are critical for the system's operation. Low brake fluid levels cause 22% of VSC problems, as the system relies on proper hydraulic pressure for stability control. Steering angle sensor calibration issues represent 18% of cases. These sensors must be properly calibrated to detect vehicle direction changes. Yaw rate sensor malfunctions account for 12% of VSC issues. These sensors detect vehicle rotation around its vertical axis. Professional diagnostic tools can identify these specific issues through the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, providing precise fault codes for accurate repairs. The most common VSC reset method works on most vehicles. Start by turning the ignition to the on position with the engine off. Next, fully turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right. This helps the system recognize the steering angle sensor range. Turn the ignition off, then start the engine and drive at low speed. The system should automatically recalibrate during this test drive. For Toyota and Lexus vehicles from 2020 and newer, there's a more advanced reset procedure using an OBD scanner. Connect an OBD scanner and navigate to the VSC system menu. Look for the steering angle sensor calibration option. Select steering angle sensor calibration and follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to drive in a figure-8 pattern at a specified speed. Honda and Acura vehicles have their own specific reset procedure using the VSC button on the steering wheel. Ensure your vehicle is on level ground with the engine running and wheels pointing straight ahead. Hold the VSC button for 10 seconds or more and observe the light pattern sequence to confirm the reset is working. While some VSC maintenance can be done yourself, many procedures require professional expertise and specialized equipment. DIY-friendly tasks include basic system resets, checking brake fluid levels, and visual sensor inspections. Professional services are required for steering angle sensor calibration, yaw rate sensor replacement, and software updates. Safety is paramount when dealing with VSC systems. Never ignore warning lights or drive aggressively with the system disabled. If multiple warning lights appear on your dashboard, schedule an immediate professional inspection. The VSC system is critical for vehicle stability. Remember that VSC is a supplementary safety system, not a substitute for safe driving practices. When in doubt, consult a qualified technician.